This is a Handful Players production.
Hey there, my name's Miss B, and in this video, I'm going to teach you how to make your own scavenger hunt for your neighborhood. Let's get started. The most important part of this activity is that you get permission to go outside. That means you need to ask your mama or your grandmama or your auntie, whoever it is. Please ask someone before you go outside. Maybe they'll want to go with you, and that'll be great. Y'all can make a scavenger hunt together. But please, please, please do not, I repeat, do not go outside if you do not have permission, okay? All right, now that that's out of the way, let's get started. The first thing that we are going to do is we're going to brainstorm. All right? So I want you to think to yourself, what are some things that you like in nature? Do you like trees? What's your favorite kind of flower? Do you like insects? Do you like animals? What are your favorite things in nature? As we're thinking about things that we like in nature, try to also think about things that you usually see in your neighborhood. What are some common items that you can find around where you live? What kind of buildings are around you? Are there any restaurants? Let's make a big list of all of the things that you can possibly think of that are outside your house. Go ahead, tell me some of those things. Perfect. So some of the things that I heard you all say were birds, flowers, cars, fast food restaurants, and that's a great way to start our list. You want to choose under 10 things that you can find in your neighborhood. You can be very specific, like a butterfly or a hot pink flower, or you can be very broad, like a super duper tall building. Whatever you'd like to put on your scavenger hunt, you can put on your scavenger hunt. Once you've made your list of items, go ahead and get ready to go outside. Invite your parent to come along with you, and maybe even some of your siblings. Whoever's in your house quarantining with you, I'm sure would love to have a walk outside. So go ahead and talk to the people that you live with and get outside. You can make a video of your scavenger hunt and send it back to us. If you want to make a video about your scavenger hunt and share it with your friends, that's awesome. It will be an awesome way for you and your friends to see each other's neighborhood and connect with each other even though we have to physically stay apart. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I really hope that you get to go outside and make your own scavenger hunt. I'll see you next time. Bye.